What is up, Domeless family? Alright, guys. So, I'm probably going to lose a lot of viewers on this one. Alright, guys. We're going to do the unspeakable, and we're going to clean out the reclaim. It's one of those things. This is where we're at in life, right? And it's like 10:30 at night. Good thing I'm in Seattle, Washington. I could just like go to the store probably until midnight and just show my driver's license and buy another gram or 10 grams, whatever I need to get me through the night. But that's not the case. So what we're going to do is we're going to just do it. Hey, did I mention I'm relaunching the 710 whip? Man, I swear this is probably like the best investment that you could do. If you're just starting in dabs, and you don't want to spend a bunch of money, I mean, this isn't like the #1 solution, but this is a really good solution. So 710 whip, Domeless.com. It's really easy. It's 99 bucks. So yeah, all right, moving along. So what I'm going to do is I got the bungee strap right here. I'm just going to pull the wire a little bit, and I'm going to lift it straight up. Oh, you guys probably can't see that. Okay, I'm going to lift it straight up like that. And I got a little silicone thing right here. I'm just going to put it right there because it's turned on. Uh-oh, I dropped the ball. I almost reached for it with my fingers. That thing's going to be hot. All right, so I'm going to put that right there and move it over. All right, so now this bong right here, if you notice, the water line is below where the stem is. So all this oil never touches any water. So there's no chance of getting spit or any like other microbials in there. Everything that's in there went through the nail first. Yeah, there's the nail. Went through the nail first. So this should be like just, oh damn, there goes the other 2 balls. It's okay, I'll get them later. This should be like slightly less potent than what it was before. And obviously it's darker, but let's see if we can get in there. And I don't want to drop the nail, but I want to try and get you guys a good shot of what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm just gonna pull it away from all the sides right there. Now a lot of you guys are probably cringing. Like, just look away. The rest of you guys, yeah, follow very closely. So, actually, you could probably figure the gist of it out. But basically, I'm just getting it all off of the sides right there. And I'm going to try and swirl and swoop it. Trying to get it into a glob. Let's see, here we go. And I don't want it to drag on the side of the glass, because then it's going to leave a big old shit stain on the side of it. I want it to come straight up. Damn, that's a big ass glob. It's not going to fit. Uh-oh. Well, that's what I get for not cleaning it. Damn, you see that? Yeah, big old shit stain. Make sure there's nothing on there. Alright, can you guys see that? Yeah. That is like massive. Ugh. Should we weigh that? Let's weigh that guy out real quick and see how much oil we don't have to pay for. How many tens of dollars did we save? Hold on, guys, hold on. I know I got some parchment around here somewhere. Alright, here we go. Let's get our dabber. Grab our fucking shit stain. Put our shit stain. Oh, shit. Alright. 0. I need. I'm going to turn this around for you guys. Let me make sure that you guys could see it. Nope, can't fucking see a thing. Alright. And I'm not fucking editing this video. Fuck that shit. So, don't cry if this shit's too long. Here, we're in the wrong units. Well, you could cry. Leave your cries in the comments so we could laugh at you. Just kidding. Kind of, but not really. Alright, you guys. Let's see how much shit did we recover. 1.3 grams. Alright. That'll get me through the next day. Well, while we're at it. Okay, I'm cool. I don't need any more out of there. There's a little bit since they're trying to get it so it doesn't seep over to the other side. It should probably just lay flat in there. Damn it. Now it's stuck. I can't get rid of it. 1.33 or 5. Oh, damn. Oh, come on. Go back to 3.5. No, I was wrong. I fucking admit defeat. All right, let's move that shit out of the way. We'll move this back over. We'll grab our 710 whip. Oh, I got a little oil right there. I'm gonna grab my wipe, my oil wipe. I'm just gonna, nope, it looks like that was from a couple times ago. It's okay. I'll just get that started. All right, put my nail back in there. Pull my cord back tight so my wire doesn't break, because that's like the weakest part of it. Right there, that's the weakest part. But as long as you don't move that around, you should be good. All right, now let's get our poop. We'll just grab like the tail end of it. What do you guys think it tastes like? Leave it in the comments. These little balls should be good. All right, one. Oh, sorry guys. Didn't mean to knock you. Hope I didn't spill your beer. All right, we'll just take this, drop the poop in there. All right. And now this is a low temp poop dab. We're at like 550, 560, something like that. That's why it's not disappearing, but watch this. That's done. So, yeah, the silicone cap, it works great. This is why I made it out of silicone. I already knew what happened with the wood. I already knew what happened with the metal. That's why I went the silicone route, so that in theory you could just go like this and get another dab. Right? So this is a $100 e-nail. This isn't for like the high rollers that are like swabbing after every dab. I never swab, and that's like how it is. I just turn it on overnight. But yeah, let's do another little dab of the Pupu. The Pupu. Wake up in the morning and have a little Pupu. That should be the title of the video. Reclaiming the Pupu. Yeah. That last one didn't taste very good. It was a little harsh. But the other Reclaim, you know, honestly, that just tastes like a slightly darker version of what I was smoking here. I think because I was smoking good, like, to begin with. I mean, it wasn't like top notch, but it wasn't like bad. So now it's like second or third grade of what I was smoking already. Vaping, excuse me, we don't smoke around here, we vape. So yeah, guys, I hope that gave you some confidence. Feel free to dab your Pupu. Alright guys, on the next video.